Alright guys, so about an hour and a half later, I have now finished as many teeth as I'm going to make out of the Nara clay. So I thought I would. So again, just a variety of different teeth. So they look kind of whitish now. Oopsie daisy. But now I can get, there you go. They look kind of whitish now. But when they're done, they'll be more like kind of opaque. Like, I keep saying more like real teeth, I guess, but I really like this very smooth finish. I love it. And even the few little cracks, it just makes it look like more realistic, I guess. I don't know. I just love this clay. I really do. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. And like I always say, don't take my word for it. Check it out. Have a good one.